my little darlings, you've come back to see me again. Oh, I'm so pleased. Right, now, I decided, because we've been stuck indoors, I thought, what can Auntie Ali do for a change this week? So I decided to come out to my garden. Oh, and it's beautiful. So, are we going to do some warming up? Are we ready? Come on then, let's get going. It's that time again. Are we ready? I'm going to pretend, and you can too, to be a little seed that grows into a flower. Are you ready? So I need you to crouch down into a ball. Are you ready? And you're going to grow up towards the sun and the blue sky. Oh, keep stretching. Oh, stretch those arms. Wow, it must be lovely to be a flower when you're growing up. Oh, feel that sun. Isn't that lovely? Don't forget, stretch your neck. It's really, really good. Oh, does that feel good? Well done. Okay, now then, I think we should keep it going. Do a little bit of running on the spot. Are we ready? Go. Here we go. Here we go. Keep going. Oh, keep going. Oh, keep going. And should we go back round the other way? Yay, yay. Go the other way. Oh, keep going. Keep going. And stop. Wow, that's brilliant. Well done. Right. Going to do some marching. Now, if we do some marching, I think we have to do the Grand Old Duke of York. Are we ready? Oh, the Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Excellent, well done. Oh, Auntie Ali's shattered now. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of new rhymes and songs, okay, today. I thought it'd be nice to get something different. So, are we ready? The first one is called Daisy. Okay? Right, let's give this new rhyme a go, shall we? Called Daisy. Are we ready? Okay. I'm a little daisy, tall and slim. Here are my petals, here is my stem. When the sun comes up, the rain comes down. I grow and grow up from the ground. Oh, very good. Shall we try that again? Come on then, let's do it one more time because I need you to practice. Are you ready? Okay. I'm a little daisy, tall and slim. Here's my petals, here's my stem. When the sun comes up, the rain comes down. I grow and grow up from the ground. Very good, well done. Okay. Now the other song I found, and it goes to the sound of Farmer Dell, is a spring song. So, are you ready? We're going to have some fun with this. Get your hands ready, okay? The sun is shining bright, the sun is shining bright. Oh, how I love the warmth, the sun is shining bright. Ready? The flowers start to bloom, the flowers start to bloom. Oh, how I love the sight, the flowers start to bloom. Whoa, did you like that? That was a nice easy one, wasn't it? Should we try that again? Come on then, here we go. The sun is shining bright, the sun is shining bright. Oh, how I love the warmth, the sun is shining bright. The flowers start to bloom, the flowers start to bloom. Oh, how I love the sight, the flowers start to bloom. Well done. Whoa, keep practicing because I'll be watching. Okay, now then, are we ready? I want to see fingers. Get me your fingers. Okay, and because we're outside, I thought we'd do Incy Wincy because I like Incy Wincy. Are we ready? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the water out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. The wincy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Brilliant, well done. Okay, now then, got our last one, and it's another new one, and it's called the bug rhyme. Okay, here we go, and we do it to the sound of the wheels on the bus. Okay, are we ready? The bees in the flower go buzz, 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 buzz. The bees in the flowers go buzz, buzz, buzz all day long. The ants in the grass go march, 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 march. The ants in the garden go march, march, march all day long. Are you ready for the last one? The grasshoppers in the field go hop, 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 hop. The grasshoppers in the field go hop, hop, hop all day long. Oh, that was brilliant. Wow. Do you want to do that again? Do you think we should? Okay, come on then. Here we go. Let's do it again. The bees in the flowers go buzz, 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 buzz. The bees in the flowers go buzz, buzz, buzz all day long. The ants in the grass go march, 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 march. The ants in the garden go march, march, march all day long. Okay. The grasshoppers in the field go hop, 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 hop. The grasshoppers in the field go hop, hop, hop all day long. Oh, that is fantastic. Great. Okay, now I think it's time for story time. So sit down. Are you ready? Because we've got a nice little story, okay? Right, now I've got my friends with me. This is Bertie and this is Lulu, and they've both come to hear the story. So if you're ready, we'll begin. Now the story today is The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and it was written by Eric Carle. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, Lulu, don't give up now. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Oh, can you see the caterpillar? Very tiny. Wow. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, and he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. Yes, 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. Yeah, 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. Oh, yum. On Friday, he ate through 5, yes, 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Would you be hungry if you were eating all that? I don't think so. Oh no, look at this. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of a cherry pie, 1 cupcake, 1 sausage and 1 slice of watermelon. Watermelon. Ooh, lovely. That night he had a really bad stomachache. Oh, poor caterpillar. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Wow, look at that. He's massive. Okay. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. Look at him, massive. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and can you guess what happened? Can you guess what happened? He was a beautiful butterfly. Wow! Wow! And that's the end. Was that good? Did you enjoy that? I loved it, yes. So now then, I think now we need to have a little rhyme, okay? And this is one of Auntie Ali's favourite. She has many that she likes, but this one she likes most of all. And it's the 2 little dicky birds. Are we ready? Are we ready? Here we go. 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall, one named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, and come back, Paul. Should we do that again? Should we do it again? Are we ready? 2 little dicky birds sitting on the wall, one named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yay! Okay, now I think it's time for us to do the okey cokey. Are you ready for this? Come on then, here we go. Let's do it then. Everybody standing up now. Okay, don't forget we have to do this. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. You put your right leg in, your right leg out, and shake it all about. We do the okey cokey and we turn around, and that's what it's all about. All together now. Oh, the okey cokey. Whoa, the okey cokey. Whoa, the okey cokey. Ready? Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. You put your left leg in, your left leg out, and shake it all about. We do the okey cokey and we turn around, and that's what it's all about. Are we ready? Whoa, the okey cokey. Whoa, the okey cokey. Whoa, the okey cokey. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. Right, are we ready for the last bit? Are you ready? You got to jump in, remember? You put your whole self in, your whole self out, in, out, and shake it all about. You do the okey cokey and you turn around, and that's what it's all about. For the last time. Whoa, the okey cokey. I can see you. Whoa, the okey cokey. Whoa, the okey cokey. Knees bent, arms stretched, rah, rah, rah. Woohoo! We did it! Hey, fantastic. Right, now then. We've got one more thing left to do. Can you remember what we do at the end of our session? Can you tell me? Can you remember? That's right. We sing the dragon to sleep. So, sit down, okay, and I need you to curl up ready, okay, and we're going to sing the dragon to sleep. Are we ready? I want to hear you all singing. Go to sleep, Mr. Dragon, sleep. I want to go home for my lunch, Mr. Dragon, sleep. I want me toasty, my cup of tea. Did you hear that? Did you hear that cheeky dragon? You do remember he's living with me, don't you? Well, let me tell you, I've done nothing but run around for this dragon this week. And he's asking for a cheese toasty now and a cup of tea. Whew, I think I need the tea more than him, don't you? So, before we can finish, do you think we ought to try and sing him to sleep again? Do you like that? Come on then, let's see if we can get him to sleep. Are you ready? I want to hear your voices. Go to sleep, Mr. Dragon, sleep. I want to go home for my lunch, Mr. Dragon, sleep. Wow, 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 tea. Do you think he's gone to sleep? Do you think he has? Yay! That's it, my little darlings. Now then, when you finish looking at this, you'll see there's a video for this week's craft, and I hope you enjoyed doing them. And if you wouldn't mind, send me through some pictures of you either watching my video, having fun, or doing the craft. We'd love to see what you come up with. Okay? Bye now. See you soon. Love you. Bye now.